Alright guys, about this system, because I do a lot of traveling, and yeah, I got a jump starter, but this one is unique because it's a jump starter and built-in air compressor, you know. Push this button, turn on, and show you 100%. Have USB. You can charge from here. They give you adapter and a 12-volt lighter adapter. The jumper right here. Pump your tire and the bag accessory. So when you press that button, it turns on. That right there turns on the the air pump. Turn it around. Here's the system. You can plug it in here, and that's just one of the systems I have. Also on the sides has lights right here, and this where you plug it in. Yeah, be careful when you plug it in here, because it's pushing about 3,000 amp of power. You could search something out, or you could blow something up. But here's the other product that I have. It's called JF.EGWO. This is this is a good system. I had no complaint about it. Like, oh my goodness. It pulls about this 4,000 amp of power. This is have more capacity. Though I bought this one, it has a 99.2 watt hour battery. Starting current 800 amp 3 second, 500 amp 5 second, peak current is 4,000 amps. I like this one because it comes with a 12 volt. Plug that in there. You can use that 12 volt. I can plug this into my refrigerator. That will work with it. I have used this on cars that has dead batteries, or even better, I took out the battery and just plug it in there and just start it up, and it will start it up. So my expectation is this does the same thing, because it's 3,000 amp and it has a pump. It will do its job. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you a scenario if your battery is dead, like completely on dead. I plugged it in just without a battery. I'm gonna jump it. I will jump it with this jump starter right here. I'll turn this on right here. Power it up. Go over here and plug it in. Okay, it's in. Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright, here you go. I'm gonna start it up. Okay, we have power. There you go, let's start it up. All the product pricing for each individual amp. Let me send my sincere thanks to everyone who have loved my video in general. Subscribe to the channel to watch the next random content, and hit the thumbs up for the likes. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications